Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a rich, fuzzy, cafe-style brownie you can easily make at home. Deep chocolate flavor, soft center, and that perfect cafe texture without an oven. Let's start the recipe. Place a heat-proof bowl over warm water. Add half cup butter, half cup powdered sugar. Mix well. Add half cup dark chocolate. Mix slowly until the chocolate melts completely. Dark chocolate gives brownie their intense flavor. Melt chocolate gently using indirect heat. Brownies were originally created as a cross between cake and fudge. Cafe brownies are usually fudgier than cakes. Add half cup milk and mix well. Now sieve 3/4 cup flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder into the mixture. Mix gently until the batter becomes smooth and glossy. Do not overmix after adding flour. Add 3 tablespoons dark chocolate and fold lightly. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter evenly. Spread chocolate chips on top. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside and cook for 25 to 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Steam-style baking keeps brownies moist inside. Let the brownie cool slightly before slicing. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants. Homemade brownies avoid artificial preservatives. Portion control makes it a balanced treat. Best enjoyed fresh and warm. Your cafe-style brownie is rich, fudgy, and full of chocolate goodness. Serve it warm or chilled, just like a cafe dessert. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more cafe-style baking ideas.